Mastering idioms. Understanding, hold the cards. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to hold the cards. Idioms like this can add color and depth to your conversations, so let's get started. The phrase, hold the cards, is an idiom that originates from card games, where having the right cards is crucial for winning. In everyday language, this phrase means to have control or the upper hand in a situation. It implies that a person has the resources, abilities, or position to influence the outcome. For example, in the negotiation, it was clear that the company held all the cards. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this idiom. 1. In business. During the merger talks, the larger corporation held all the cards, dictating the terms. 2. In relationships. In their friendship, it always seems like Maria holds the cards. She decides what they do each weekend. 3. In politics. The ruling party holds the cards when it comes to passing new legislation. Other idioms with similar meanings include, in the driver's seat, to be in control of a situation. Upper hand, to have an advantage over someone. Call the shots, to be the one who makes the decisions. Understanding these can enrich your language skills and help you interpret different contexts. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, hold the cards. Remember, idioms are a key part of mastering a language, as they reflect cultural nuances and add expressiveness to your speech. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the colorful world of English expressions.